guys, it's me. I've never had this before.
Do you even know what it's called?
No, I don't.
It's called Rice Krispie Treat.
But I've never had this in my life.
Let's try them together. Well, no.
How do you eat this? Do you just bite? That's good.
I haven't had one in a long time.
Don't know how this is so good, and I've never tried it in my life.
Huh?
It's better with milk.
Probably not.
What?
I don't think dipping a Rice Krispie Treat in milk is that good.
Mm.
Pretty good though.
In milk?
Yeah,
That's good.
it's really good.
Probably because there's marshmallow in it. I mean, I don't know. Comment down below if you think this is a good idea. And comment if you'd like to see us eat new foods from a snack bar. Back up. A snack bar. It's that way. A snack bar. Comment below, and if you do like this, we do read your comment tomorrow, we'll be able to do it. Bye.
Bye.